Welcome back. In this class, we will discuss some important MCQs of partial differential equation. Alright, these questions were running in your Telegram, so definitely you done it. If not, I suggest first pause the video and try by yourself. Definitely you done it. Okay, let's see question one by one. The first question is the equation of the form this is known as. This is the simple form of a linear partial differential equation, and this is a famous form known as Lagrange's equation. So very simple problem here. Second one is, this is the second question, if A is constant, then this is the solution of which differential equation. Okay, if we see carefully, this one is known as wave equation. Okay, this is the wave equation, and the given equation is one of the solution of this wave equation, right? Another way, if you try to differentiate partially with respect to x and t this equation, then we got exactly this differential equation. How? Differentiate u with respect to x partially, then this cos x is constant and we just get sin at is constant and we just get sin at, and for cos x it is minus sin x, right? The second order derivative with respect to x is, here we get it is again minus sin at and cos x, right? Now differentiate partially with respect to t, differentiate partially with respect to t, we get now cos x is constant and sin at gives a cos at and cos x, right? The second order derivative with respect to t is, now a cos at gives minus a square sin at and cos x is constant. Okay, now if we separate a square, we get minus sin at cos x. Now this minus sin at cos x is nothing but this term, so it is equal to a square d2y by dx square, right? So we get d2y by dt square is equal to this one, and this is the fourth equation, fourth option. Okay, so we can say this is this satisfy this fourth option, so this is the solution of this differential equation. Okay, so it is the correct option. Okay, move to the next question here. This is the third question. The particular integral of this partial differential equation is what? Only there be demanded particular integral, right? So particular integral is just find by 1 by fd, and fd is here d square minus 2 d dash plus d dash whole d dash square with cos x minus 3y, right? For this form, we just replace d square, d dash square and d dash accordingly, as if the term is cos ax plus by, then d square is replaced by minus a square, dd dash, this dd dash is replaced by minus ab, and d dash square is replaced by minus b square. Okay, here if we compare, then we get here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 3. So d square is replacing by minus 1, dd dash is replacing by plus 3, and d dash square is replacing by minus 3 square is 9, so it is minus 9. Okay, now we can directly put these values by replacing d square, dd dash and d dash square if the denominator is not 0. Okay, first put minus 1 minus 2 into 3 minus 9, right? Then this is equal to this is not equal to this is a non-zero value, so we can put it directly, and we just have cos x minus 3y, right? So particular integral is equal to minus 10 and minus 6, so it is minus 1 by 16 and cos x minus 3y. So the correct option is option number C. So a simple question of partial differential equation, but very important, because these type of questions were asked in various exams. Okay, so be careful because these are the easy question, and if such types of question will ask, then never we quit. Okay, question is the solution of this differential equation is, okay, again this is a third degree partial differential equation, and we can find the solution by integrating it regularly. So first integration gives you 2 order derivative, okay, is equal to a constant, right. Now constant, if we differentiate it with respect to x, then constant in form of y, so it is equal to fy, right. Actually this is done it as, if we integrate the third order derivative, okay, with respect to x, then this is the integration, okay, this is integration, and here 0. So we get the integration of this term is second order derivative, okay, and is equal to constant, right. But since this is the partial integration, so with respect to x, y is constant, so we take constant as function of y. Clear? Again when we integrate, then we get curly z by curly x is equal to, now fy is constant and integration with respect to x gives x, okay. Again integrate, then we get z is equal to what, with another constant, say it is f1y and it is f2y, okay. So again integrate, we get f1y, x is x square by 2 integration, plus f2 only x or plus f3y, right. It as f1y x square, since f1y by 2 is a function of y simply, plus f2y x plus f3y, okay. So according to function wise distribution, the correct option is option number D, because here f1y a function of y, x with a function of y, and x square with a function of y match completely with our solution. So the correct option is option number D, okay. So I hope you done it in similar manner, and I hope this one is fruitful for you. If it is fruitful for you, please like and subscribe if you are newer in my channel. Thank you very much.